going to talk about a couple tricks that I learned over G Mixolydian. Two super simple ways to look at this scale and just have fun, just warm up. So here I'm just going from my 10th fret to my 12th fret on all 6 strings, and it's just kind of coming out of the C major scale. This 10th fret here is a G, and I have an F note up here. Excuse me. I have an F note down here, but I'll bend that E into the F. I'll bend this note down here into the F too. So, guitar tricks. Everybody loves a guitar trick. Keep it simple. Just have fun. There's theory, blah. Sure, we're playing the dominant fifth. We're emphasizing the flat 7. That chord progression is just going from G to F. And even though, it's just 2 frets on that, I can't even call it a scale. I know that this is a G note. I know here's an F. I know bending that, I'm trying to get my F note here. I have a G note here. You can slide into this F here. I just love that Mixolydian, that flat 7, that open rock sound. Optimism. That's all we've got in this dark world. Thanks for watching. Take care.